Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, comrades, and connections, Facebook friends, LinkedIn connections, social media friends. This is James Shastri from Hyderabad. Uh, Today I attended a webinar by on the subject of Americas at Crossroads conducted by Hayden Center on YouTube. It's a very lively performance. It happened long time back in September or October. It happened, but I could see it now only. It is in the records, so I could see the webinar completely. There are four panelists in the webinar. One is Scott Henderberg, another is David Fitzgerald, third one is Guadalupe Correa Caburi. She is a lady. Michael Morelli is another person, gentleman. Four panelists are there. Human traffic. The Latin America is facing severe problems in terms of extortions, corruption, security problem, unemployment problem, organized crime. These five problems are plaguing Latin America. Something should be done. Something should be done. So people are looking forward to guidance and support from others. Please look at them and suggest several methods for thing. China is likely to play a key role because it has something to offer in terms of investments. Investments in the sense that roads, infrastructure, it has money power. It is technologically advanced, so it can offer money power for infrastructure and uh, so Latin America is a crucial component area, a region in our dictionary. It has some people have to be added. So I took time to attend this webinar. So I'll share this video also in my disarmament group. It also has possibility of, I think disarmament is a panacea. By reducing defense budgets, more can be organized for people. There are other problems with disarmament that may be discussed later. There is UN, other organizations which can take care of when there is no army force. So you can take later. Political systems are there. People will have internet is there, Facebook is there, TikTok is there. People can raise their problems. They can solve. They get solved. We don't have to wait for long. Project syndicate. Then we'll talk about later. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.